Good morning everyone. There are some problems of 10 standards given by students. Some problem belong to chapter number 2 banking and some are belong to chapter number 12 reflection. First I will take a problem of chapter number 2. I have a question number 9, exercise 2a, chapter number 2 banking. There are given some things. Monthly installment represented by P and this equal to 1200 rupees. Okay. Next is maturity value MV equal to 12,440 rupees. And third is rate of interest small r equal to 8%. We find out in this question time period. Let me take time period n and time period in the term of months. Okay, we take n month. There is n months. We find out the value of n. Okay, student, we know that what is maturity value and there is the result of maturity value. What is the result? First I write the result of maturity value. What is the result? MV maturity value equal to P multiply N, P monthly installment multiply time period in the term of months, plus again P multiply N, N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay student, we have a result for monthly maturity value. Okay, we put the value of maturity value, monthly installment and rate of interest. With the help of this we find the value of n. Okay, I will take for maturity value equal to 12,440. Then we put the maturity value 12,440 rupees. Okay, again in place of P there is 1200 rupees. 1200 multiply N as it is, plus P in place of P 1200 rupees multiply N as it is into N plus 1 into R is 8 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay student, this equal to 1200 N plus 100 cancel, again 12 also cancel, to 1 to 4, there is left only 4 n plus 1, then this equal to 4n into n plus 1. Okay student, and maturity value as it is 4. Okay, again 4,440 equal to 1200 n plus 4n square plus 4n. Okay student, again we take maturity value on a right side, then our complete first we write 4n square plus 4n plus 1200n and minus 12,440 and equal to 0. Okay student, complete 4n square plus 1200 plus 4, then this equal to 1204 minus 12,440 equal to 0. 4 is common in all the terms, then cancel out 4 throughout, then n square plus 301 n minus divided by 4 equal to 0. Okay student, now we have a quadratic equation. We have a quadratic equation in a variable n square plus 301n minus 3110 equal to 0. Student, in place of A there is 1, in place of B 301 and in place of C minus 3110. For solving this, first I factorize of this 3110. We take 3110 and factor of this. First divided by 2. 2 1, again 5, again 5, again okay, again cancel out by 5 5351 5. Student, we have two factor 10 and 311. Okay, if we multiply both, then we get 3110. If we take 10 is positive and minus 311, then we have plus 311 and a minus 10, then we have 301. Okay, there is negative, there is positive, then one is positive, one is negative, and factor of complete 10 and 311. So n square, we write it in place of 301, we write 311n and minus 10n. Okay student, minus 3110 equal to 0. First two and last two. Okay, n is common, n plus 311 minus 10 common, then n plus 311 equal to 0. Again n plus 311 common in both the terms, then we take common n plus 311, then n minus 10, n minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, if the product of two term equal to 0, then either n plus 311 equal to 0 or n minus 10 equal to 0. If this equal to 0, then n equal to minus 311. If this equal to 0, then n equal to 10. Student, we reject it. We have a reason, because n is a number of months, but there is no number of month in negative form, so we reject it. We take n equal to 10. N equal to 10. What is n? N is number of month, so we have the answer time period, time equal to 10 months. Okay, this is question number 9. Okay, again I will take next question. Student, next question, question number 4, exercise second B, means chapter number second banking. Question number 4, what is question? Mr. Bajaj needs 30,000 rupees after 2 years. What list money in multiple of 5 must be deposited every month in recurring deposit account to get required money at the end of 2 years, the rate of interest being 8%. Student, in this question, rate of interest is given 8% and time period is also given, time period 2 months. We find what list money must be deposited every month. That means we find the monthly installment, that is P, and Mr. Bajaj needs 30,000 rupees after 2 years. That means after 2 years Mr. Bajaj needs 30,000. That means maturity value is 30,000. We take maturity value 30,000 rupees. Okay, so we write it maturity value MV equal to 30,000 rupees. Again time period we take nth, n is in term of month, then 2 years equal to 24 month, 24 month, and rate of interest R percent equal to 8%. We find out the monthly installment P. Student, in multiple of rupees 5, the role of this at the last of the question, the role of a multiple of rupees 5 at the last of the question. So first I solve by simple method. Maturity value, we know that maturity value equal to P multiply N plus P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay student, then we put maturity value 30,000 equal to P as it is, N 24 plus P as it is 24, 24 plus 1, 25, in place of R 8 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay student, 24 cancel, 25 1 4, then 4 1 4 and 2. Okay, 30,000 equal to 24p plus 2p, and this complete equal to 26. Student, p equal to 30,000 divided by 26. P equal to 30,000 divided by 6. If we divide 30,000 by 26, then we get a 0.8 something. Okay, if we divide 30,000 by 26, we get P equal to 1153.8. Now, there is a role of multiple of rupees 5. We find the monthly installment in multiple of 5, but 1153.8 is not multiple of 5. So for finding the multiple of 5, the next term is 1155. This rupees is the multiple of 5. So we take a maturity value P equal to 1155. Student, you think 1150 also multiple of 5? If we take 1150 rupees, this is also multiple of 5. How we take 1155? Okay, if we take this monthly installment, then maturity value not equal to 30,000, but this less than 30,000 rupees. But Mr. Bajaj need 30,000 rupees. So for completing 30,000 rupees, we take monthly installment this. There are some extra money of 30,000 rupees. Okay, so we take 1155 equal to P. That means monthly installment. This is the multiple of. Okay, student, you understand this question? There is something extra in multiple of. Okay, next we take next question. Our next question, question number 5, exercise 12b, chapter number 12, reflection. Student, question is, the points P and Q are reflected in the line y equal to 3. Find the coordinate of P dash, that is the image of P, and Q dash, that is the image of Q. Okay, we have 2 points and we have a line y equal to 3. We find the image of P and Q which reflected under line y equal to 3. Student, first we draw x axis and y axis. X dash, y dash, and this is the point of origin, coordinate of origin 0 0. X 1 2 3 4 5. X minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Next is y 1 2 3 4 5. Y minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, student, first our first point, point P, coordinate of P 4 and 1. X is 4 and y is 1. X 4 and y 1, then we have point P. This is the point P, coordinate of point P 4 and 1. Next we draw point Q, minus 2 and 4. X minus 2 y 4. X minus 2 y 4. Then our point Q is, this is the point Q, and coordinate of this minus 2. Okay, student. Next we draw the line y equal to 3. If any line of this type y equal to a, then this is the line parallel to x axis. Same we have line y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, we have a line parallel to x axis passing through point 3. Okay, y equal to 3 means we take y3 and we have a line parallel to x-axis passing through point 3. Okay student, this is the line and we take, this is a mirror, this is the line of a reflection. Okay, we take it a line of a reflection. If reflection of P is P dash, image of P, P dash, we find the point P dash. Student, point P reflected in this line, then its image here. Okay, and this distance equal to, this is the distance and the same distance of the image of point. This equal to y1, y1, and this complete 2 unit distance. This is 2 unit distance because there is y equal to 3, there is y equal to 1. This is the point y equal to 1, y equal to 3. Then this total distance 2 unit. Then the same distance 2 unit. Same distance. There is y equal to 3. Next y equal to 4. Next y equal to 5. So this is the point of image of P, P dash, and this x same, x is 4 and y equal to 5. Then image of P, P dash, and coordinate of P dash 4 and okay student. Then next image of Q, Q dash is the image of Q. Point of Q is this. Here x equal to -2 and y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Student, this is the distance. 3 and 4, this is 1 unit distance. So image is also same, 1 unit distance. If this is 3, then image of this Q dash, and this is x same, -2, and y, x -2 same as it is, y equal to 2 because this is 1 unit and distance. Okay student, if point P for 1, then it reflected in the line y equal to 3, then image of P, P dash, and coordinate of P dash 4, 5. Same point Q, coordinate of this, and reflected in this line y equal to 3, then coordinate of Q dash -2 and 2, same 1 unit distance. Okay student, I hope you understand this question. Student, if you have any problem in any exercise in any sector, then please send to me so that I can help you. Okay, thank you.